Welcome back everyone. Today we're comparing two popular hardware wallets from Trezor, the Model One and the Safe 3. So if you're considering securing your assets, stay tuned as we highlight their key features. The Trezor Model One's design is compact and straightforward with a monochrome display and two physical buttons for navigation, whereas the Safe 3's design features a vibrant colored touchscreen, enhancing user interaction and ease of use. In terms of security features then, the Trezor Model One provides essential security for managing cryptocurrencies offline, protecting against online threats as well. The Trezor Safe 3 incorporates an EAL6 Plus secure element, offering an additional layer of protection for your assets. In terms of supported cryptocurrencies, the Trezor Model One is compatible with a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. Trezor Safe 3 supports over 1,000 coins and tokens, providing extensive options for diverse portfolios. In terms of pricing, the Trezor Model 1 is priced at $69 and the Trezor Safe 3 is priced at $79. In summary, the Trezor Model 1 is a reliable and budget-friendly option for those new to hardware wallets. The Trezor Safe 3 offers enhanced security features and a user-friendly touchscreen, making it ideal for users seeking advanced protection and convenience. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.